Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB with me, Richard here. The question comes, define chemical bond. What is it? Okay. Chemical bond is the mutual attraction between two atoms resulting from attraction between protons of one atom and electrons of another atom. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, what is meant by valence electrons? What is it? These are electrons in the outermost shell or outermost energy level of an atom. Yeah. Then comes this question. It says, determine the number of valence electrons of the following atoms. The first one is lithium with atomic number 3. Now, you need to know that we derive the valence electrons from atomic number. So if lithium has 3, this is what you have to know, that when you happen to write the configuration, the first shell has a maximum of 2. Okay? And the second shell has takes the remaining 1. Now, from here, I need you to know that for lithium, what you have here are the valence electrons. And what do we see? We have 1. So there is 1 valence electrons in lithium. Yeah, next is sodium with atomic number 11. How do you go about this one? You have to know that if you draw or write its electronic configuration, you say 1s, that's the first shell, taking up a maximum of 2. Then you go to the next shell or next energy level. 2s has a maximum of 2. Then 2p, still in the second shell, has a maximum of 6. So when you do the count here, what do you see? There are the 10, and we have 11, so we are remaining with 1. So the one which goes to the third energy level, and is there. And then I need to remind you that what you have here for sodium are the valence electrons. So sodium has 1 valence electron. Yeah. Next is aluminium with atomic number 13. So what do? We have its electronic configuration. It's 1s, taking up a maximum of 2. Then shell 2 starts with 2s, maximum of 2. And the 2p takes a maximum of 6. These are already 10, and we are remaining with 3, so we come to 3s, taking a maximum of 2, and the 3p taking the remaining 1. So, for aluminium, what you have here are the valence electrons. So aluminium has 3 valence electrons. Yeah, then comes chlorine with atomic number 17. So what do? We have its electronic configuration. it is 1s2. So 2s2, then 2p. When you make a count here, what do we have? We have already 10. Then we go to the third shell, starting with 3s2, taking a maximum of 2. Then we go to 3p, taking the remaining 1. So if you count here, we have already 12 remaining with 5. And p takes up a maximum of 6, so it can take 5. Yes. Then we need to remember that what you have here are the valence electrons for chlorine. So chlorine has 7 valence electrons. Yeah. Then we come to magnesium with atomic number 12. So what do we do? You say magnesium, the first orbital is 1s, taking up a maximum of 2. Then we got the second shell, which is 2s2 and 2p6. If you do the count, these are already 10. We are remaining with how many? 2. So you write 3s and you put 2. Then you have to know that what you have here are the valence electrons, and magnesium has 2 valence electrons. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. And we also want to remind you that this channel, PSSB, specializes in physical sciences, grade 12, 11, and 10, and natural sciences, grade 8 and 9. And because of the scope of this channel, we urge you to use the playlist. Don't click video. Click playlist and sort out the material which belongs to your level. For grade 8 and 9, look for natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 11. For grade 11 and 12, look for physical sciences grade 11 or physical sciences grade 10. As for grade 12, every chapter is presented independently. So just click on the chapter of your interest, and then you'll have the material which you need. With that, I would like to say thank you. We love you. Bye-bye. See you next time.